Hey guys, another quick tutorial for you from the Writing Center here. This one involving how you will submit your paper to be reviewed by our writing staff here at the Writing Center. First of all, just reach out to us in an email, thewritingcenter116@gmail.com, and within 24 hours we'll reach out to you with what we need from you. Please be looking for that email. If you have not received it within 24 hours, please reach out to us immediately. And in that request, you will also receive a link to a student conference summary, which is fairly simple to fill out, instructor, class, etc., along with some instructions on what we would like to receive with your initial draft. Among those are, in the subject line of the email, just FBE conference request, along with 2 or 3 questions that you have concerning your draft. That way we can specifically address those for you. And I put some examples here, some of the most common ones that we see: intro, cluttered, rambled, etc. Please look at those. Also, you'll attach your assignment, which I've shown here, and that should be in .doc, which is a Microsoft Word format. And Microsoft Word is a completely free program, so be looking out for a video for that as well, to how to do that if you need help on that. But please submit it in the .doc format, which is Microsoft Word, and then also include your assignment guidelines, which I've used Mr. Pates as an example here to show you. But along with those guidelines, that way we can specifically look at those guidelines and offer any suggestions that we might have that would allow you to be more in compliance with those guidelines. So once you've issued all of this data, you will receive our feedback within 3 business days, and be looking for a video on how to receive your data on that as well, if need be. So that's how to submit your paper for review from our Writing Center staff on our feedback by email, or FBE for short. Have a great day, guys.